Hey everybody, Mono Ride Bikes here with Robert. Today, since it was raining, what I did was I got a backyard, and you can see my backyard. I'm gonna make some bike trails back here, and what I did, since it was kind of muddy, I was going to try things out, but if you rode in grass before and it's like a loam, it's mushy, and then the grass don't help, your tires dig into it and you sink. So this is what I did. Right there, I made these two little things. This here is a little kicker I made out of some pallets. It's not high because I'm going to try to teach my wife how to go down those. Just like that one. That right there, folks, your wheel digs right in there. It's real soft. I gotta probably put like a little berm right here to turn into this, and then make a straight cut down to this one. My backyard's pretty big, has some hills, and what I plan on doing is trying to scrape 2 little or 3 little trails out of here for practice when I can't ride at a park and I don't have enough time to go to a park. This will be great practice for me and my wife if she wants to get better. So this is what we got. That little drop right here, I have to build a wall there. I'm building this in a wall. That's going to be my wall. I have that door there. I might make that door drop off like right here. Come between those 2 branches right there and come right here. That way I have 3 together and I can still put a wall right here. Because that's going to be my fire pit right there. What I want to do is put a wall right here and put a bench or a picnic table, because when I get married we're probably going to have a party here and it's going to be in the backyard. But look at that little hill right there. I can come down all these ways, but this is the drop off right here. Right there is going to be a shed for bikes. So I can't come down this way. But if I swing a berm right here, take that pole down, I can make something right along them steps and turn around and then put the bike away. I can't do nothing here. That's my patio I got to clean up. But yeah, that's what I was doing today, since it was raining, muddy. Yeah, that's all I got today. Give me a thumbs up if you like my videos. I thank you so much for watching them. I hope you enjoy them. And hey, us little YouTube channels have to stick together. So, I suggest if you got a little channel, subscribe to everyone and help us get more subscribers. It works. And thank you, Mikey Sons, for posting about my channel on a web page. Thank you so much, Mike. I appreciate it. And you're a great guy. You draw very nice. So give me a thumbs up again if you like this. And hey, we're going to send those and we're going to ride them out. Thanks for watching.